The stock market rally that won't last. Where can we expect the bottom and the bounce for the market? I'll be taking a look at technical analysis and giving you guys levels of support that you guys should watch because we broke a major level of support, and I want to take a look at the next area of bounce. Now, if you guys enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe and make sure to leave a like. We have been absolutely killing it. 7 days ago we caught kind of like the move down, and if you guys enjoy content like this, leave a like. Now let's take a look at the heat map. Microsoft down 3%, Apple down 2.3%. Semiconductors got hit hard. These are risky growth stocks. Nvidia almost down 5%. Now take a look at oil stocks. As you guys know, I'm very bullish on oil stocks, and that is pretty much the only position that I am in right now. Oil stocks pretty much trading sideways this week, and I will keep you guys updated on oil in this video. Let's take a look at SPY. Okay, SPY broke off a major level of support. Let's zoom in a little bit over here. Now let's talk about why this close was bearish. So my price target is 408, and we closed below this level of support. Typically we want to close above, and we are bullish, but we closed below, so 408 is going to be my next level of support. Now why 408? Because that is the level where we can see that SPY respects this level and it bounces off a lot off of this level. So the bulls need to hold 408, and I feel like this is going to be kind of like the bounce area, a potential bounce to fill the gap to the upside. Because keep in mind, if we zoom in, we zoom in for the SPY, we gapped down today, so we have a very nice gap, and we it's going to be a matter of time before we actually fill this gap to the upside. Now I'm taking a look at the bigger picture. We are at a major level of resistance, and just look at how we are getting wider and wider. So the market is getting wider and wider, so it's going to be very hard for us to be bullish in this market, because typically we want stocks to get tighter. Let's take a look at QQQ now, which is the tech ETF, and exactly what happened. 312 was our price target, which I made in the last video, and we are almost at that level of support for QQQ. So right over here we are expecting a very nice bounce. So overall, temporarily for this week, I am bullish for the market because we are hitting a nice level of support for the market. 312 for QQQ, just like the SPY. We have a nice gap to the upside, so a nice relief rally would be very nice to fill this gap to the upside. Now let's take a look at oil. Keep you guys updated on oil stocks. XLE, which is the oil ETF. So a lot of you guys are in oil stocks, and I understand that because the chart looks very bullish and blah blah, but I've been getting a lot of questions on when, what is my stop loss, and when I'll be cutting. If it goes to the downside, when will I be getting out? So let's take a look at the XLE, which is the oil ETF. I am bullish above $78. We cannot go below this level of support. I'll be cutting my position if we close below $78 on the daily time frame. So today, if we zoom in a little bit more, price went all the way back down, tested this level of support, and bounced and hit that resistance again. So we are at a very nice bullish spot for oil, and personally I'm very bullish on oil, and this looks very bullish, and we have a nice $80 resistance. So if you break $80 psychologically, that is a very nice number, and that is going to attract a lot of buyers. So that is my stop loss for oil. Just please understand, above $78 is where I am bullish. Now I want to take a look at CELH. So I talked about this on my weekly watch list video and my yesterday's video. So this stock, looks very, very nice, and it is actually at a major level of resistance. So I'm potentially looking at this stock for a potential call play because this setup looks very nice. And if we, pump at market open, this stock looks very nice. My price target is $108. So if we actually break this level of resistance, we have a very, very nice wick to the upside, and I'm watching this play for tomorrow market open. Last thing that I want to go over is Ford cutting 3,000 jobs. So we are in a recession. That is a fact. And, we are seeing a lot of these companies, Tesla, Coinbase, now Ford, cutting a lot of jobs. So this is the whole effect of the recession. And just watch out for that because we are going to be seeing, potentially some bad unemployment data. So that is what I'm watching for the next few weeks because we have a lot of companies cutting jobs and this does not look good. If you guys enjoyed content like this, make sure to subscribe and make sure to leave a like. See you guys later. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers, and overall, bye bye.